why we work so hard to give everyone the very best. And nothing is more rewarding than receiving a glowing review from someone we've made very happy with our service. Here's what they had to say. It never gets old when someone posts these types of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing everyone is happy. It motivates us to continue working hard at providing the best possible service. And we'd love to leave you raving too. You'll discover the real meaning of great service and satisfaction when you work with us. We're confident you'll appreciate our attention to quality. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. Don't hesitate to call us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.